choice and I accept what it come with. I know the sacrifice the type of life actually is, but when I weigh my other options, anything else don't make sense. Screams, nightmares and dreams, and the story of my life, it seems there ain't no in between. Still plotting on 1,100,000 plus before I leave. God will and touch a belly, that's just how a nigga think. On my own too, running this race just like I'm supposed to. Took back ownership of everything I sold, dude. This is grind and this is hustle in the old school. So be surprised when I roll, boo. Listen, I think I got a problem in relationships. Tried to love a couple times, but it ain't make no sense. But I'm not trying to go to war with you, my dear. Next time it's real, don't let it be consumed by fear. I think I got a problem in relationships. Tried to love a couple times, but it ain't make no sense. And I'm not trying to go to war with you, my dear.
DJ Ski, DJ Ski.
I got so much on my mind that I just need space and time. Know we got us here for something. Everybody got their own assumption. Stop wasting all your energy trying to find a new identity in me. Look, damn. What the fuck is up? See all this money got these bitches acting like they fell in love. And some of y'all niggas believe them, but I'm not one of y'all. I'm a young nigga out here eating, just ballin' till I fall. Yeah, solo in my two-door. Never had to follow rules, I want to, then I do so. World famous, everywhere that you go. People taking pictures, just imagine how your ego could run away. It could run away with you. When it's over, I'ma stay with you. I swear. Slick words from a pretty bitch. I looked at her as I hit the spliff and said, I think I got a problem in relationships. Tried to love a couple times, but it ain't make no sense. But I'm not trying to go to war with you, my dear. Next time it's real, don't let it be consumed by fear. I got a problem in relationships. Tried to love a couple times, but it ain't make no sense.
Want to be all up in that shit?